Hey everyone! Looking to add some romance into your Chicago dates? Whether you're in a new relationship, been married for years, or just need fresh date ideas, we've got you covered. Chicago has no shortage of romantic spots if you know where to look. From boat tours under the moonlight to cozy jazz lounges, we are going to share our favorite romantic date night locations around the Windy City. So grab someone special and get ready to fall in love with Chicago all over again as we explore the city's most romantic destinations. Let the wooing begin. Stay tuned for the best romantic date ideas in the Windy City. Number 1. Navy Pier. With over 50 acres of parks, gardens, shops, restaurants, and attractions, Navy Pier is a top romantic spot for couples. Stroll hand in hand down the lengthy boardwalk overlooking Lake Michigan and the Chicago skyline. Ride the iconic Centennial Wheel for stunning views from high above. Catch a music or comedy show at the Festival Hall. Dine at trendy waterfront restaurants like Offshore Rooftop and Bar. End the evening watching fireworks weekly in summer. Number 2. Lincoln Park Zoo. Lincoln Park Zoo offers free admission, making it an affordable date spot. Wander through the leafy grounds and indoor exhibits to see lions, polar bears, gorillas, and more up close. Stop for a romantic picnic on the South Lawn. Visit the Nature Boardwalk to spot native wildlife. Dine at the elegant Café Brouwer, surrounded by the zoo's hidden garden oasis. In summer, take a pedal boat ride on Lincoln Park Lily Pond for a special memory. Cap off the day with cocktails on the patio at Lion House Cafe. Number 3. Architectural Boat Tour. Learn about Chicago's rich architectural history on a scenic river cruise. Coast past the Willis Tower, Tribune Tower, Marina City, and more while an expert guide shares unique facts and stories. Cuddle close to your date on the open-air upper deck for unobstructed skyline views. Bring a blanket for the evening tours so you can admire the glittering city lights reflecting on the water. Upgrade to a private charter cruise for the ultimate romantic experience on the Chicago River. Number 4. Millennium Park. Millennium Park is a romantic spot for art lovers. Snap pics by Cloud Gate, known as the Bean, with its funhouse mirror effects. Wander through the flower-filled Lurie Garden hand in hand. Picnic under the twinkling lights of the Pritzker Pavilion. Check the schedule for free summer concerts like jazz and world music. Stroll down the pedestrian BP Bridge to Maggie Daly Park. End the night with cocktails and skyline views at the Park Grill's patio. Number 5. North Avenue Beach. Escape to the lakefront at North Avenue Beach for sunset strolls, beach yoga, volleyball games, and panoramic skyline views. Rent bikes, kayaks, or stand-up paddleboards to enjoy the water together. Bring a blanket and picnic spread to relax on the sand. Play beachside games like volleyball and ping pong. Grab tropical drinks and appetizers on the Dock Bar's outdoor patio. In summer, dance together at the beachfront bars for live music. Number 6. Alinea. For foodie couples, Alinea offers one of Chicago's most romantic and innovative fine dining experiences. Enjoy an intimate meal in the gallery-like space with abstract art installations. Indulge in the multi-course tasting menu from celebrity chef Grant Achatz, with dishes that play with the senses in whimsical ways. Make reservations well in advance to secure a table at one of America's most acclaimed restaurants for a truly unforgettable date night. Number 7. Chicago Symphony Orchestra. Share an evening of musical magic at the acclaimed Chicago Symphony Orchestra inside the Grand Symphony Center. Hear world-renowned musicians lead powerful renditions of classics by Brahms, Mozart, and more. Opt for box seats for a private, romantic vibe. Dress up for an elegant date night that's perfect for proposals. Arrive early to admire the lobby's stained glass dome ceiling. After the show, stroll hand-in-hand down Michigan Avenue. Number 8. Poetry Foundation. For literary-loving couples, visit the Poetry Foundation's open, airy library space housing over 90,000 volumes of poetry. Lounge together on the window seat with books of your favorite poems. Recite romantic verses to each other by the calm indoor water feature. Take time alone to write love notes in the reading room. Outdoors, find inspiration strolling through the poetry garden designed as a living anthology. End with tea and cookies in the quiet, hidden book and bistro cafe. Number 9. Greenhouse loft. Greenhouse lofts expose brick walls, soft lighting and greenery create a warm, romantic ambience for couples. Peruse the seasonally inspired small plates menu and indulge in dishes like charcuterie boards with wine pairings. Sip handcrafted cocktails, beer and wine at the horseshoe-shaped bar. Cozy up on plush sofas near flickering candles and the greenhouse-style glass atrium. The intimate vibe makes quiet conversations and stolen kisses come naturally. Number 10. Chicago Helicopter Experience. Experience Chicago's top sights from new, breathtaking angles on a thrilling helicopter tour. Soar over the Chicago River, Lake Michigan, Navy Pier, beaches and skyscrapers for bird's-eye views together. Capture Insta-worthy aerial shots of landmarks like Willis Tower and Wrigley Field. Opt for a private tour or Proseco upgrade for extra romance. Nothing bonds a couple quite like adrenaline-pumping adventures. Number 11. Andy's Jazz Club. Spend an atmospheric evening swaying and snuggling to live jazz at Andy's Jazz Club. Sink into leather boots amid amber lighting as acclaimed musicians rev up swing, blues, and jazz on stage. Order cocktails and New Orleans-style fare to complete the date. Couples can request romantic psalms and dedications from the singers. Late nights on weekends often turn into dancing, so bring your best moves. Number 12. Hotel Zatari Rooftop. Hotel Zatari's trendy rooftop bar provides front-row views of iconic Wrigley Field for baseball fan couples. Sip cocktails by the fire pits on plush loungers. Cheer for the Chicago Cubs together as you peer into Wrigley during home games. Savor bar bites like summer rolls and flatbreads. For total romance, get a room at the boutique hotel with modern rustic suites. Then return to the rooftop for nightcaps under the stars. Number 13. Parsons Chicken and Fish. Parsons' hip backyard boasts picnic tables strewn with twinkle lights for chill al fresco dates. Sink your teeth into juicy fried chicken, fish sandwiches, and flavor-loaded sides and salads ideal for sharing. Sip local brews, wines, or cocktails like Pim's Cups in the laid-back environment. Play ping pong and other lawn games after your meal. The setting balances casual fun with enough coziness for couples to connect. Number 14. Chicago Magic Lounge. Experience close-up, sleight-of-hand magic at the intimate Chicago Magic Lounge. Be amazed as magicians perform illusions right before your eyes in the small theater. Arrive early to learn card tricks at the Magic Bar. Unwind after the show in the swanky 1920s style lounge with craft cocktails and romantic candles on the tables. Late-night magic performances make for a lively, unexpected date night. Number 15. Tiny Tap and Cafe. Tiny Tap's minimalist, Japanese-inspired space offers just 6-bar seats for an intimate date. Taste premium chocolate and coffee flights expertly paired together. Sip fruity espresso cocktails. Share tini tapas like crostini and brown butter cake drizzled with chocolate. The cozy cafe's sleek yet warm vibe sparks great conversation. After sampling the creative menu, stroll together through the nearby shops in Logan Square. And that wraps up my tour of the most romantic date spots in Chicago. Thanks for watching.